friends, welcome to the Magical Literature. You are watching a HTML series for beginners. In previous video we have seen how to comments in the HTML and what is a mark tag. In today's video we are seeing the RGB and a hex code color code. Okay, so what is RGB and hex code I will show you. Okay. So open your Sublime text. Here it is. And now make a new file and save it as Ctrl+S and save it to the desktop and name it as RGB or whatever you want to do, and .html, don't forget to write this extension and save it, and open bracket and HTML and hit enter and give title as a hex or whatever you want. And now in body tag, come in the body tag and make a free tag. Okay, h1 tag, take one h1 tag, and in h1 tag write some text. I am writing as I am learning from magical literature. Okay, so save it and open this file in a Chrome or a Firefox. So open in your browser and you can see this result. Okay, now what is RGB and what is hex code? These are used for styling. So in H1 write a style. I have tell you how to style tag. If you don't know, so see my previous videos. Okay, so style equal to, and in double quotation write a color quotient, and in this, so color and quotient and give RGB and hit enter, and in this bracket, okay, what will you write? So open your browser and search for HTML color codes. I prefer this site. This site is very beautiful. Okay, the UI is very immersive. You can see here this UI. Okay, it is a very user friendly. So from this you can pick any color here. Then you can see that here it is RGB and the codes are, the numbers are changing as we are moving our mouse by clicking it on. Okay, so I am taking the color here, and what is the RGB code for this color? Ctrl+C, copy it, and in your Sublime text, open your Sublime text, Ctrl+Tab, maximize this and paste it in this bracket. Okay, in this bracket, and then save it. And for seeing the result, Alt+Tab, open your browser and edit your file. Refresh it and you can see the result. The color has changed. You can also give a background color of this. Okay, so you will see how to give background color. Background color and again RGB and give the bracket, and in the bracket again copy a code which you want to give as a background. So I am giving here as this color. Copy RGB, Alt+Tab, open your Sublime text, and then Ctrl+V, paste, and Ctrl+S, save, Alt+Tab, open your browser, refresh your page, and you can see the result. I am maximizing the speed. So again you copied the whole H1 tag and its content, Ctrl+C, copy, and 1 minute. Okay, and paste it here. So I am pasting it again, and remove this RGB color. Okay, so I am removing it and save it, and again open as we have don't given any style. So it is a simple text. First we will see Alt+Tab, open your browser. Okay, and see, so it is a normal text. Now we are giving a style. We have seen RGB, but what is RGB? What is RGB? RGB is nothing but RGB is red, green, blue. So this is a mixture of color, red, green, blue. Okay, whatever. Now we are seeing the hex code. Okay, so I am giving a comment tag that hex code color, hex code color. It's not working. Okay, here it is a mistake. Okay, now in a style tag, how to write this hex code. I will show you. First, write a color and simply a colon, and then open your browser to copy your hex code. Okay, here. Okay. And simply copy your hex code. So what color we are giving now? So I am taking a yellow color. It is pretty yellow. And Control plus C copy. Then Alt plus tab to the shortcut keys for going here and there. And then in color I will write directly this. So for RGB the brackets are required, and for this the brackets are not required. Simply write and copy it and paste it. And Control plus S save. Alt plus tab the shortcut key, and then open your file and just refresh it, and you can see the result. Wow, it feels so amazing. And then again open your subline text, and we will give some background to it, and this colon, and then background color. 1 minute. Okay, in this color, background color, and we will give as let's see what to give it. Open your browser and HTML color codes, and then we are giving it as this color. Okay, it's okay, this color. And copy the hex code and copy it, and open your sublime text, and then paste it in your background color property. So let's see the results. Okay, and then refresh it. Wow, what an amazing color. Okay, you can see the results. How it's amazing thing. So practice. It's truly. And thanks for watching the video. Hit the like button. Press the bell icon to get latest updates. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.